Hi friends, welcome to my videos. So in this video I'm going to show you how to activate Hey Siri. That is a method to invoke Siri with just your voice. So every time you say Hey Siri, the Siri functionality is going to be activated on your iPhone. So I'm going to show you how to activate this on your iPhone. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and make sure you click on the notification button so that you get my video updates right away whenever I upload a new one. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So in front of you I have shown you my iPhone 8 Plus. So let's click on settings. Okay, I'll go back once to show you. So in settings I have this Siri and search. So click on that. Alright, so you see that there's an option listen for Hey Siri. So tap it. Now you get a screen where you have to set up Hey Siri. Let's continue. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, how is the weather today? Oh. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, it's me. So you can see that you have to go through 5 steps. So you need to follow the instructions as they appear on the screen, and in case it's not able to recognize your voice, it's gonna tell you to do it once again. And now once it is done, you have this done button. Hey Siri.
I'm here.
Look what she says. Hey Siri. What is the temperature today?
The high temperature for today will be 13 degrees, and the low will be 3 degrees.
Hey Siri, how's the weather tomorrow? Oh, I have to go out. Hey Siri, how is the weather tomorrow? Oh. Hey Siri. How is the weather tomorrow?
Looks like it will be partly cloudy in Toronto tomorrow. The high will be 12 degrees, and the low will be 3.
Okay guys, so you can see that how easy it is to configure Hey Siri and how to use it. So I hope you like this. So make sure to give it a like and comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.